What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to do a little review on the 8BitDo PS1 PS2 retro receiver. This thing is cool, guys. You're going to want to stick around for this one. Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the 8BitDo retro receiver. And this is for the PlayStation 1 or PlayStation 2. And what this does is it lets you be able to use a Bluetooth controller on your PlayStation 1 or PlayStation 2. I do wish it was black, but it came in gray because I'm going to be using it for my PlayStation 2. But for PlayStation 1, that matches right up. Let's get this thing open. Out of the box, we have a little cable here, branded 8BitDo on there, if you can see that. And here's the adapter. It's pretty nice. Yeah, that's pretty sharp. Nice and simple. USB-C on here. Looks like a little light indicator here, and this is going to be your connectivity button. So looks to be real simple, and from what I've heard, this is really easy to get connected with a Bluetooth controller, and it's pretty compatible with a lot of Bluetooth controllers. So let's give it a try. And power it on. As you can see, it's blinking right here, waiting for a controller to connect to. Alright, I know, it's Xbox, but here's an Xbox controller, and as you can see, it's blinking. I'm going to hit the button once. Now it's rapidly blinking, and just hold this down to turn it on, and then hold down the pair button on the front for 3 seconds. They both start blinking rapidly. I must have waited too long. Press one more time. Oh yeah, I gave it a little shake. That connected for sure. And I can confirm that it is working. Now, what I'm wondering is if I power this off. Okay. So when I power it back on, is it going to connect right to this device? Or am I going to have to play that game every time I... No. Connected right up. Gave a little jiggle. So there's one picked up on the Xbox remote. Turn that off. And I got a 8BitDo N30 Pro. These are pretty cool little controllers. A little dirty. Need to dust it off. But let's see if we can get this thing to pair up. So let's see, I think we hold this down to get it started. And we'll hold this center button down. Okay, and then you press, I think it's A for a Linux device. And I'll press that. And there it goes. Alright, so the compatibility's, well, it is 8BitDo. It should work, right? Alright, cool. So that's 2 remotes. That's 2 for 2 that I had laying around. So the compatibility test checks out. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering, what about that cord that came with it? Well, pretty neat. You don't need it during use or anything like that, but if you want to update your firmware, which makes it more compatible with newer controllers and issues and stuff like that, you would just plug this in and plug this into your computer. But what no one's really talking about, and I think it's pretty nifty, is that you can plug this into your PC and it can be a USB dongle and you can connect controllers that way. So I think that is pretty neat and no one's really talking about it. So let's go over to the PC and see if it actually works. Alright, back at the PC. I'm gonna plug the USB into my PC. Setting up device. Alright. Device is ready. Let's see. Other devices. Idle. I think this is it. It kept saying IDLE. So this is us. But it doesn't seem like a Bluetooth adapter, does it? Let's see. Couldn't connect because we don't have one installed. Okay. Well, let's see. I'm gonna go grab my controller. Alright, so I'm gonna hit the button on the 8BitDo device, and it's blinking really fast. And I'm putting my Xbox remote into pairing mode. Oh, and you just seen that, right? Oh, and that's me controlling it with my Xbox remote. 8BitDo receiver is set up and ready to go. Wow. Pretty cool. So let's see. Yep, there it is. 8BitDo receiver. I guess once it connected, it figured out what it was. Well, how cool is that, guys? It actually works. So now you can game on your PC with Bluetooth, and you can play on a PS1 and a PS2. So talk about bang for your buck, huh? And just so nobody gets confused, it doesn't fit all Bluetooth controllers, but so far everything I've tried it has worked on. It even worked on like a bootleg Wii Bluetooth remote, a Wii U remote. It's not even a real one, it was aftermarket, but it worked on that also. So as you can see, here's your PlayStation, Xbox, I'm not even sure, Wii U. Yep, this looks like some 8BitDo stuff. If you got a PlayStation remote or an Xbox remote laying around, even a Wii U remote laying around, it'll work on this thing. So I don't know about every single controller, but as long as it can be connected to a modern console, it should work. And on the website, it gives you better instructions how to connect everything up. As you can see here, it tells you how to do it on the console or on Windows. This is for the DualSense Edge 4, Switch, Pro, yeah, Ultimate, yeah, Bluetooth controller. Here's the SN30 Pro. Yep. So, pretty cool, guys. I really like this. This is quite nice. Good company. I wish it was black. Like, this was black. This is for the SNES, though. Kind of should have been the other way around. But anyways, I really like this product. I can't give it enough praise. I heard a lot of people say in the beginning of its run that it didn't quite work right, but I think they fixed it because it's working great now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, like and subscribe. And as always, have a tech day.